Welcome back, it's Chris from the Hagon factory. So this week's video, we've got Peter Stevens. He's working on the B31 Bsa. He's assembling the cylinder head. So the old man put the valves and all that back in, so Pete's going to assemble all the rocker gear. Since Peter's got on board, he's helped us a lot. He's done a lot of footage and done a lot of work. So he's a great help to Hagon factory and we really appreciate it. I'd like to thank the old man for all his hard work. He's been working on this as well as the Triumph engine, which we'll talk about later on in another video, but let's get on with it.
Got the head back today from Alan. Alan has fitted the valves into the head, and now it comes up to back to me to put the rockers in, the rocker shafts. I've given them a bit of a clean up in the lathe to hopefully make it a bit easier to put together. I've measured up the combined assemblies to see which one suits which side of the head, because the measurement between the two faces in the head differs from one side to the other, and so I kept the spaces with the rockers. I'd had a cable tie through them so that the sets of spaces went with each rocker. So what I didn't do at the time, I didn't mark which rockers were which. I've measured these up and written the dimensions on them, so it's my belief that this is the best way to go, best bits. So I'm just going to put some oil on here, and we'll go about putting them in. So the good bit, I'll start by putting that in there. I'm going to put the piece of shim, I think probably back against the back there, and then come in there with the rocker, and then the other spacer. I can get that to go through there. There we go. The spacer down in there, bit of oil on it, and hopefully, yeah, there we go, it's lined up. So now I'm just going to give that a tap with
drill a hole into a tree, out comes a swarm, finding it hard to be the man I've sworn to be, remembering the name.
just looking at the way that actually sits. So I'm not sure that I'm happy with where that is. It's not in line with the centre of the valve. So might have a look at. I've certainly got the thickest. I don't want to tap that in there and then find out that it doesn't align. Just before I go any further, what I'll do is I'll swap the rockers over and just see whether the other rocker in fact sits in a better position. Can't. No, can't. Won't do that because they're a pair. So that's alright, I can see now. That has a shoulder there, so that'll be better around that way with the solid brass bush being up against the shoulder. So when it comes up to that shoulder, when I tap this in, it's going to push it across, which will bring the rocker in line with it. So everything's good. Just look far enough ahead. That can only go the one way. A bit more oil on that now. Wiped it off probably. There we go. Use a little brass drift and yeah, that's bringing it across. That's bringing it across. Perfect. It lines up. The rocker's right on top of the valve now. Got a little bit of end float there, which is good. I reckon by the sound of it, it is not going to go any further. That's the exhaust one done. Do the inlet one now. Same process. Plenty of oil. Plenty of oil. This one doesn't have the shim like the previous one, so
drill a hole into a tree, out comes the smoke, finding it hard to be the man I've sworn.
it's better on the right side than the other side. There's poor little acorn nut. Copped a bit of a bashing at some point in its life. I was half tempted to, if I had an oxyacetylene or a MIG or a TIG, I'd weld that up and remachine it, but I don't have, so I only got a stick welder, and I think a stick welder would make a bit of a mess of it, so I'm going to leave it. I might, well, give it to Alan's welder. Maybe, I don't know, to see what they think. But, yeah, that's where they go. I think they'll probably have some fibre washers or something under them to, and that little oil feeder goes there like that. That'll do for the minute. Over and out.
Walking slowly through a dream,
and welcome to the Black Swan Hotel, Bendigo's premier bike pub. We're open from Thursday, Friday, Saturday, Sunday, noon till close. Roar in for a drink and a pizza. See you then.
Righto, same as every other week. If you like what you see, like, subscribe, tell your friends, tell everybody. Let's bring Hagon's back.